we have seen incredible changes in the vast universe of technology. From the first binary computers to today's quantum machines, the journey has been extraordinary. AI has evolved from simple decision trees to complex neural networks. Each breakthrough brings us closer to machines that can think and reason like humans. This new technology is called RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation. It's a game changer in the field of artificial intelligence. We're venturing into territory that was once science fiction, now becoming reality. Welcome to AI Unveiled Beyond the Buzz podcast. I'm your host, Ketch. Let's explore RAG. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. But what does that really mean? Let's break it down. Retrieval is about finding information. Generation is about creating new content. And augmented? Well, that's where the magic happens. RAG combines these elements to create something truly remarkable. Think of RAG as an AI with a supercharged memory. It can quickly search through vast amounts of data. Then it uses this information to generate new relevant content. It's like having a brilliant researcher and a creative writer working together in perfect harmony. RAG doesn't just regurgitate information. It understands context and can apply knowledge in meaningful ways. But RAG isn't just about processing information faster. It's about processing it smarter. RAG can understand nuances and context in ways that previous AI models couldn't. It can make connections between seemingly unrelated pieces of information. This leads to more insightful and creative outputs. The beauty of RAG lies in its versatility. It can be used in a wide range of applications, from answering complex questions to writing articles, from coding to creative writing. RAG is pushing the boundaries of what we thought AI could do. It's opening up new possibilities in fields like education, research, and content creation. As we delve deeper into RAG, we'll see just how transformative this technology can be. To truly appreciate RAG, let's compare it to traditional AI models. Think of traditional AI as a talented musician who can play any song they've learned. They're impressive, but they're limited to their repertoire. RAG, on the other hand, is like a musical genius who can not only play any song, but also compose new music on the spot. Traditional AI models like GPT-3 rely solely on their training data. They're incredibly good at pattern recognition and can generate human-like text. But they can struggle with up-to-date information or specific factual queries. It's like trying to navigate a new city with an old map. You might get the general layout right, but you'll miss the new developments. RAG, however, combines the strengths of traditional AI with the power of information retrieval. It can access current information and use it in its responses. This means RAG can provide more accurate, up-to-date, and contextually relevant outputs. It's like having a local guide who knows every nook and cranny of the city, including the newest attractions. Moreover, RAG is more transparent in its decision-making process. We can trace back its responses to the sources it used. This is crucial for applications where accountability is important, like in healthcare or legal contexts. Traditional AI, in contrast, often works as a black box, making it difficult to understand how it arrived at a particular output. With RAG, we're moving towards more explainable and trustworthy AI systems. Let's take a closer look at how RAG works. Imagine you're planning a dinner party. First, you decide on the theme and the guests. This is like the input query in RAG. In RAG, this query could be a question, a topic, or a prompt for content generation. Next, you'd go through your cookbook collection to find relevant recipes. This is the retrieval phase in RAG. The system searches through its vast database to find information relevant to the input query. The system takes the retrieved information and uses it to generate a response. Finally, you serve the meal, presenting it in a way that's appealing and easy for your guests to enjoy. In RAG, this is the output phase. RAG in action. Transforming industries and everyday life. RAG isn't just a theoretical concept, it's already making waves across various industries. In customer service, RAG is revolutionizing how companies interact with their clients. Imagine calling your bank with a complex query. You're connected to a RAG-powered system. In education, RAG is opening up new possibilities for personalized learning. It tailors its teaching style to each student's needs. Content creation is another field where RAG is making a significant impact. Writers and marketers can use RAG-powered tools to generate ideas and draft content. Even in scientific research, RAG is proving to be a valuable tool. RAG up close. A practical demonstration. Let's see RAG in action with a practical example. Imagine you're using a RAG-powered writing assistant to create an article about climate change. You start by inputting a simple prompt. Write an article about the effects of climate change on polar bears. Now, watch the magic unfold. First, the RAG system retrieves relevant information. It accesses recent scientific studies on Arctic ecosystems, data on polar bear populations, and reports on climate change impacts. It also pulls in information about conservation efforts and policy discussions. This retrieval phase ensures that the article will be based on up-to-date and accurate information. Next, the generation phase begins. The system doesn't just regurgitate the information it retrieved. Instead, it synthesizes this knowledge to create a coherent, engaging article. It structures the content logically, starting with an overview of climate change in the Arctic, then discussing specific impacts on polar bears, and concluding with conservation efforts and future outlook. The final output is an informative, well-structured article. It includes current statistics on polar bear populations, explains how melting sea ice affects their hunting patterns, and discusses ongoing conservation efforts. The article even suggests further reading on the topic. All this from a simple prompt. This demonstration shows how RAG can enhance creativity and productivity while ensuring accuracy and relevance. The societal impact of RAG: navigating the stars and pitfalls. RAG comes with immense potential and significant challenges. It could democratize access to information and expertise. Imagine everyone having a personal AI assistant. This could revolutionize education and healthcare. But there are concerns about privacy and data security, and the risk of misinformation. Ethical considerations are paramount. We must ensure our RAG is unbiased and fair. Despite challenges, the benefits are significant. Responsible development and robust regulations are key. RAG, the present and future of AI. As we've explored, RAG is not just a futuristic concept. It's already here, transforming various aspects of our lives, from enhancing customer service to revolutionizing content creation RAG is proving its worth across industries. But what we're seeing now is just the tip of the iceberg. The future of RAG holds even more exciting possibilities. In the near future, we might see RAG systems that can engage in more nuanced, context-aware conversations. Imagine an AI that can not only answer your questions, but also understand the emotional context and respond with empathy. This could have profound implications for fields like mental health support and education. We're also likely to see RAG systems that can work with multimodal data, not just text, but images, videos, and even sensory inputs. This could lead to AI assistants that can help with tasks ranging from medical diagnosis to complex engineering problems. The combination of vast knowledge retrieval and creative generation could lead to breakthroughs in scientific research and innovation. However, as we look to the future, we must remain mindful of the challenges. We need to continue developing RAG systems that are transparent, ethical, and aligned with human values. We must also prepare for the societal changes that widespread adoption of RAG might bring. This includes rethinking education systems to complement AI capabilities and considering new economic models in a world where AI can perform many knowledge-based tasks. The next frontier, what lies beyond RAG? As we conclude our journey through the universe of RAG, it's natural to wonder, what's next? What new stars will appear on the AI horizon? One potential direction is AI systems that can reason deeply. Imagine RAG combined with advanced robotics, or RAG integrated with brain-computer interfaces. We might also see collective AI systems. Stay curious and engaged. The future of AI will be shaped by all of us. Share your ideas and be part of this journey. Every question is a new star waiting to be discovered. Don't miss out. Subscribe to AI Unveiled Beyond the Buzz on your favorite podcast platform and join the conversation. Stay curious, stay inspired. AI Unveiled Beyond the Buzz podcast is brought to you in conjunction with NXtGen Technology and AI in Nigeria.